What is a healthy balanced diet? A good diet is essential for good health. A healthy and varied diet can help maintain a healthy body weight, enhance general well-being and reduce the risk of many diseases, including heart disease, stroke, cancer, diabetes and osteoporosis. There are 4 main categories of foods in a healthy diet. Of course, there are other smaller groups as well. But these 4 main food groups will provide the bulk of their nutrition with a healthy diet. They are vegetables and fruits, grain products, milk products, and meats and substitutes. A healthy diet will provide a good balance of each of the food groups listed. Of course, different individuals will require different amounts of food. Other factors such as age, body size, activity level, gender will also affect the amount of food you eat. Below is a guide to give you a general idea of how much you should eat from each group for a healthy diet. Please note that meat is not a necessary part of a healthy diet. Contrary to what many people say, you can get enough protein from vegetables, beans and soy products. A healthy diet is a diet based on bread, potatoes and other grains and rich in fruits and vegetables. A healthy diet will include moderate amounts of milk and dairy products, meat, fish or meat/milk substitutes, and foods containing a limited amount of fat or sugar. You should have carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, mineral salts and fiber in the right proportions. If there is not enough protein, you will not be able to grow properly and you will not be able to heal yourself. If you do not have enough energy-rich foods, you will feel very tired, you will not have enough energy. If you have too many energy-rich foods, you will become overweight. If you think you are overweight, you can try exercising more to burn off some of the extra food you ate at your previous meal. If you think you are overweight, and you want to lose weight fast, then product link given in description, please find from there and buy it. Please like our video and subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon and share our videos to your overweight friend, relatives and neighbor. Thanks for watching.